How do I get my files from StellaVita? The answer is easy, in case you know how. I will show you today how that works right after the intro. This is Martin and you're watching Astro from Home. I'm connected here to my StellaVita, and first you need to know the IP address of your device in your home Wi-Fi. That's version 1, how to get the files. You are clicking on this little I, and here you see the IP address. In the first line, that's the one that you have to use. So here we are on my PC. We know the IP address from StellaVita in my home network. So what you have to do is you open the file browser, then the address bar, you are typing the address preceding to backslash, so backslash, and then the IP address. I already used it, so I can just click it, and then StellaVita wants to know your login credentials. The username is always AS and the password is AstroStation. Everything in lowercase characters. Then you click OK, and here you see the internal storage of StellaVita. Just double click and you have access to all what is on your device. SD is your SD card, as I have one entered, and the sequence folder is where everything from your plan has been stored internally. Just double click, then you can navigate the folders as usual, and then you just highlight the files that you would like to move over to your PC, and then either do cut, copy, or whatever, and you can use it just as any other folder on your PC to copy and paste the files from StellaVita to your PC. And from here, if you don't have an SD card reader, you may also access the SD card the same way. You can navigate through. You see here, I have here quite a lot of images taken of NGC 7822, but those are already transferred, and this is how you then copy the files from StellaVita. If you like what you see and what I'm presenting, please consider giving a like and subscribe to my channel. Then thank you very much for watching. Clear skies and happy imaging. Thank you.